Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss the GATE 2017 question in which the signal x of t as sine 14,000 pi t, where t is in second, is sampled at a rate of 9,000 sample per second. The sampled signal is the input to an ideal low-pass filter with frequency response h of f as follows. H of f is equal to 1 for frequency less than and equal to 12 kHz and 0 for frequency greater than and equal to 12 kHz. The number of sinusoids in the output and their frequency in kilohertz. Options are A number is as 1, frequency 7, B number is as 3, frequency 2, 7, 11, C number is as 2, frequencies 2 and 7, D number is as 2, frequency 2 and 11. In this question, examiner want to find the number of sinusoid and the frequency present in the output term when we reconstruct our message signal from the sampled signal. This question is based on the concept of the reconstruction of the message signal from the sampled signal. So let's suppose this is our message signal that is band limited to the FM, and the output of the sampled signal is as x of f, that is fs. Summation n is vary from minus infinity to plus infinity x f minus fs. So the message signal repeat itself after the fs interval. So we get first signal at the 0 frequency, then fs, then 2fs, and same in the negative domain of the frequency and with the magnitude of fs. When we want to reconstruct our message signal back, then we pass this sampled signal through the low pass filter, or we call this as the reconstruction filter. So we get our original message signal from the sampled signal, and we also change this frequency domain signal into the time domain with the help of the Fourier transform. If we try to concentrate on the frequency term of the sampled signal, then it is clear in the diagram that in the positive side we got the frequency as first FM, then fs minus fm, then fm plus fs. When the signal repeat itself after the 2fs interval, then we got the frequency term as 2fs minus fm and fm plus 2fs, and then it process will be continue. And from these frequency, which frequency are less with compared to the reconstruction filter frequency are present in the output term. As message signal is sine 14,000 pi t. So by omega is as 2 pi f, we got fm as the 7 kHz, and the sampling rate is 9,000 sample per second, that is fs, and fc, that is the reconstruction filter, so it is 12 kHz. And we know that the sampled signal frequency is fm, fs plus minus fm, 2fs plus minus fm, 3fs plus fm, and the frequency term which is less with compared to the reconstruction filter frequency is present in as the output. So fm is as 7 kHz, then fs plus minus fm, and we got the value and find two term as the 16 kHz and the 2 kHz. Then by 2fs plus minus fm we got as 25 kHz and the 11 kHz. By 3fs plus minus fm we got as 34 kHz and the 12 kHz, and reconstruction filter frequencies as 12 kHz. So this 7 kHz is present, 2 and 11 is present as the output, and from 3fs plus minus fm no frequency is present. So therefore we do not go to the 4fs plus minus fm, and we got our answer as 2, 7 and 11.